Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we have here the POCO C65 and we're going to be focusing on the phone itself. And disclaimer, this phone is not mine. I was fortunate enough to borrow from a friend of mine that got a new phone for herself, and I get to see her new phone, and this is the POCO C65. We got it in the color variant purple, though it does not look purple at all. It does lean more on the blue side, and it real life it does look more like a periwinkle color. And the screen size is big and really nice to watch videos on it. We have here the rack volume, the SIM card tray, and we have here the headphone jack, and we have here the type C charging cable. And I really like the design, and you know what reminds me of it a lot? It's the POCO X5 Pro 5G, or their new model, the POCO X6. And here I'm trying to watch on YouTube, trying to watch some shorts just to see the video experience for social media, and so far so good. And I really like that it can play up to HD, and for 4K videos I haven't tried yet. And here I'll play some games on the phone itself. And this phone is not a gaming phone by any means. It was not endorsed as a gaming phone, but the games that was pre-installed on this phone is really nice to play with, and since the screen is big, it really makes the gaming experience nice. But I'm not sure with other games for the compatibility, since this is only a 90 hertz refresh rate. Thank you for watching everyone. Follow for more.